It's Mama Moonstar. Standing on my front deck in Prattsburg, New York. Around 4 in the morning, Sunday, April 3rd, 2022. It's an animal making a really weird noise. Hear that? It's up in the woods somewhere. Wow, it's loud. Neighbor dogs are barking. They hear it too. Strange, now I don't hear it anymore. Now, if that was some kind of owl, I don't know, but that was a weird sound. Or maybe an animal in distress. Neighbor dogs are still going a little nuts from it. It's funny because I was taking the garbage out a little while ago to the driveway to the bins, and my dog barked really loud at the top of our stairs before I went down there. Had my headlamp on and didn't see anything, but now that I'm back up at the deck, I heard that. Pretty interesting what may be in the woods around here. But I'm not scared or anything, I'm just fascinated. Well, maybe it's a little closer than I think, and it can see me up here in the deck light and is afraid of me. I don't know. Peepers are peeping. My dog's whining. Okay, well, I was hoping it would make the noise again so we could try to figure out what it was. And if anybody had an idea, they could leave a comment. Alright, take care.